In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to remove all email subscriptions in your Gmail inbox without using a third-party app. Let's get started. Search your Gmail inbox for the word unsubscribe. Click Advanced Search, then click Create Filter. In the filter options, check Skip the Inbox. Check Apply the label, then click Choose Label, then New Label, and name it Subscriptions. Click Create to make the label. Check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations, then click Create Filter. On the left side of Gmail, you'll now see a Subscriptions folder. Open the Subscriptions folder. Hover over each email. If Gmail detects it's from a mailing list, an unsubscribe button will appear. Click it. If there's no unsubscribe button, open the email and look for an unsubscribed link manually. If there's no link, right-click the email and choose Find Emails from the sender. Select all messages on the page, then delete them or report them as spam to stop future emails. Repeat this process in the Subscriptions folder until all unwanted emails are removed. All new subscription emails will now skip your inbox and appear in the Subscriptions folder automatically.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.